YouTube channel. My name's Charlotte. I am a self-taught artist and illustrator for those of you who are new here. If you are new, I would absolutely love it if you hit that subscribe button. We're building a really lovely community here on YouTube. But for today's video, I have a Jackson's art haul. So I've got two boxes. Yeah. I'm really excited to open them up on camera with you guys today. So let's get into the video right away and see what's in these boxes. Okay, so I have two boxes from Jackson's here. One I ordered before the other, so that's why they're in two separate boxes. So let's have a look. I have opened the main box so that we can take a good look in there. So the first thing that we have are the Sofft knives and covers. These are designed to be used with pan pastels. So if you don't know, when it comes to my commissions, I'm primarily a soft pastel artist, and I've been seeing pan pastels around quite a bit, and I really wanted to give them a try. So I've bought the knives and covers. It's a multi-pack, so you can see there are lots of different sponges, so I'm really excited to give those a good try and see how they work. And then to complement those, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pan pastels. So again, because a lot of the work that I do are animals, I thought I would try and pick stuff that I would use the most of. So we have a pan pastel in white. So this is titanium white. So that's that one. We've got it in a colour that I can't tell. We've got it in raw umber, so this is raw umber. This one here is red iron oxide, extra dark, and then a black as well. So I just wanted to get a few just to try them. They are quite expensive, so I didn't want to invest in a whole pack straight away. Just because of the sheer price of them. I wasn't sure if I would like them, so I'm very excited to give those a try. And if you can hear some clicking, it is my dog pottering around the studio. So the next thing that I got in this haul, let's start with this one actually. So we've got C. Robertson liquid metal in Twinkle. So I already have this in gold, and this colour just looks so pretty and fairy-like. So let's have a look. Ooh. Open that up. There you go. I'm not sure if that'll pick up on the camera. There you go. Looks lovely. Looks really, really gorgeous. So I'm really excited to give this a try. I'm going to use it as like highlights and to add little details onto my paintings. These are basically an acrylic liquid metal paint, and it's suitable for various different applications. So very excited to give that a try. So the next thing that we have is a paintbrush. So let's have a look. Oh, and I like the fact that this is a compostable bag. This isn't food, puppy. Oh my goodness, she thinks this is food. So we have a brush here by Silver Silk. It's a cat's tongue watercolour brush. Where is the end so I can open it and have a little look? I've been looking for something like this for a little while. I just wanted to try one brush rather than forking out and buying a whole load. And of course I can't get into it. My goodness, they're packaged well. Here we go. So very excited to try that. They look lovely. This is a synthetic brush. And cat's tongue just means it's got this sort of shape here. This is actually a pointed cat's tongue that's got this fine point at the end there. And I just think the sort of aesthetics of these brushes, they just look really pretty. So yeah, very excited to give that a try. So the next things that I have that I am just insanely excited for, I will show you. Let me move the box out of the way. So we have the Schmincke Super Granulation paints. I'm going to zoom you back in a little bit. So these are the Schmincke Super Granulation paints. I got them in Haze. So Haze is actually a limited edition with Jackson's Art. So if you're looking to get this one, you can only get it at Jackson's. As far as I'm aware, this is a Jackson's only limited edition. So I really love the way these look. It looks like there's lots of lovely granulation there. And these are all sort of grey colours. I bought the tubes. And they come in 5mm tubes. I really like the packaging of this as well. It's just so cute. These little boxes that they come in. It's just absolutely perfect. So in Haze we have Haze Pink, which is this one here. We have Haze Blue. We have Haze Indigo. Haze Brown, which almost looks like an olive brown. And then we have Haze Black. So I'm going to do a full swatching video on these so that you guys can see how they look. I think I'm going to keep them in these little boxes. They look so cute in there. I really like that actually. That's super pretty. I then also got the new ones. So this is the Super Granulation in Shire. So we have, again, 5 colours in here. And again, I've ordered the tubes. They do them in pans as well, but I'm trying to branch out and use tubes. So again, really lovely little box. And we have Shire Yellow, Shire Olive, Shire Green, Shire Blue, and Shire Grey. And they just come like the others, just like that. Oh, they look so pretty. I can't wait to try those. I'm super excited for those. And then finally in this box, I also got the desert set. Let me get the plastic off of there. So this is the desert set, and as you can see, we've got desert yellow, desert orange, desert brown, desert green, and desert grey. And again, they just come in the little box all tucked in there. Cannot wait for that. So that's the first box that I got from Jackson's Art. At the time when I bought these paints, they did have 10% off of them, which is why I decided to invest in quite a few of them. And also I do love a granulating watercolour as well, as you probably are aware if you've watched my previous videos. So we have another little box from Jackson's. So I'm going to pull out what we got in here. And as you can probably tell already, I got another 2 of these super granulating watercolours. So let's take the plastic off of this first one. These are the Tundra super granulating colours. Now this one was out of stock for a very long time and I really wanted it. So I decided that whilst it had the discount, I would go ahead and invest in them. So here we go. So this is the Tundra Super Granulating set. There are 5 paints again, and we have Tundra Orange, Tundra Pink, Tundra Violet, Tundra Blue, and Tundra Green. And when I've seen swatches of these look like they just separate into the most beautiful array of colours and granulation. So again, I cannot wait to try these out. So look forward to a swatching video on these super granulating watercolours coming soon. I don't know how to do the videos. Should I do them separately or should I just do the whole lot of think we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, so 25. Should I do the whole lot of 25 all together? Let me know in the comments below what you think I should do. Should I do the whole lot all together or do it separately for each pack? So the next one that I got was Deep Sea. So looking at all the colours that I got in the other packs, there wasn't really any kind of vibrant blues in here. So I decided, you know what, I needed some blues. And this isn't me showing off or anything like this. I've got some savings basically that I wanted to put towards investing in some new paints. So that's what this is. So I decided to get the Deep Sea one. They do a glacier one as well, which is a bit of a paler colour, but I wanted some really deep vibrant blues here. So we have the Deep Sea Violet, Deep Sea Indigo, Deep Sea Blue, Deep Sea Green and Deep Sea Black. So again, I just cannot wait to give these a try. Very excited. And then last but not at all least, this is very well packaged. And you know what I really like about the Jackson's packaging? They do seem to try and limit the plastic as much as possible. They could have wrapped this in bubble wrap, but they've used this sort of corrugated paper, which is fantastic. I really like that. So these are brand new. If you have watched any of my videos or if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I am an avid graphite pencil artist. So Faber Castell recently brought out the Pit Graphite Matte pencils. Now these are supposed to reduce the reflection on paper. They come in a variety of softness or hardness, however you want to say it. And let's take a look at them. Oh, I love Faber Castell. They will always be my favourites. Love the tin. Love that it comes with an eraser and a pencil and a blending stump as well. Very excited for this. So let's have a look and see what we've got. So we've got HB. God, they look so lovely, don't they, with the black with the gold. Very nice. So normally my favourites would be the Faber Castell 9000 series, which is the green and the gold. Yes, I have chewed the end of this one. But the black, oof, well, that just looks beautiful. And again, look, you can see green and gold seems to be their classic. Yes, I have a lot of Faber Castell because I love them. So we have, I'm just gonna turn them so that we can see the softness of every single one. There we go. Okay, so we have an HB, a 2B, a 4B, a 6B, 8B, 10B, 12B and 14B. And I believe that the 14B is new and exclusive to Faber Castell, which I think is very impressive. Let's have a little look. I can't remember where I read that, but I did read it in some of the Faber Castell information online, I believe. So very exciting to give that a try. I will do a little video of these and I will compare them to the 9000 series, and I'll also compare them to the Derwent Graphite pencils, which is another one that I really enjoy using for my graphite portraits. So that is it. Okay then guys, I really hope that you enjoyed that video and you enjoyed seeing this little mini haul. I'd really love it if you put in the comments what you're most sort of interested in, what item that I bought are you sort of most excited by. For me, I think it's definitely going to be the Faber Castell Pit Graphite Matte. I've heard so much about these and I just cannot wait to try them, so I will do a video trying these versus the original 9000 series and also a cheaper brand of graphite pencils, so we'll have a look and see how they fare. And then I think out of these super granulating paints, it's got to be the Tundra set that I'm most excited for, because I think they just look really pretty and there's going to be lots of awesome granulation in that. So again, I will do a swatching video on all of those for you as well, so look out for that. And anyway, I really appreciate you coming with me and having a look at all these supplies that I've managed to get in the latest haul. I did manage to get 10% off of the Schmincke paints. They had an offer on, so I made sure that I made the most of that whilst it was on. Pop down in the comments below what you thought of this haul, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!